Carnival of Biafra was never as saboteur as many Biafrans were made to believe during the Civil War. He was actually the most successful of all Biafran commanders. Achụzie was a very strict, resolute, and no-nonsense commander who entertained no laxity on the part of his subordinates. He would, in fact, punish decisively any soldier he saw entertaining fear on the battle line. As soon as he took over command of Biafran 11th Battalion from Major Conrad Mawo on Ojukwu's orders, he transformed the battalion into a dreaded bunch of intrepid jungle warriors. It was the Biafran 11th Battalion under Colonel Achụzie that halted the amphibious incursion of the Nigeria 2nd Division commanded by Muritala Mohammed through Asaba. Muritala Mohammed attempted 3 times to cross into Onitsha from Asaba, but Achụzie thwarted the 3 attempts. Achụzie dealt a devastating blow on the Vandals, capturing several of them and sent the rest hurrying back across the Niger to Asaba. The Vandals actually took part of Onitsha briefly, but concentrated on looting Onitsha market and setting it ablaze. This gave Achụzie and his men time to regroup and attack, dealing a fatal blow on the enemy. Because of Achụzie, Muritala was forced to go up north when he crossed the Niger at Bida. Because of his extraordinary